So today we're going to be talking about mise en place and how it's important for cooking dishes in a kitchen. Mise en place means everything in its place. And what that actually means is when we go ahead and cook a dish, we're going to have everything together in a prepared state to execute that dish in the quickest manner. That means cooking our pasta ahead of time. That means toasting our pine nuts. Our sun-dried tomatoes are sliced, our basil sliced, our garlic and shallots are chopped. And everything's at our fingertips. We don't want to be, oh, where's the olive oil, and running away for that, or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and prepare these ingredients and show you the mise en place setup. You can see now that we have prepared all of our ingredients to the point where they need to be for the recipe. This is going to be a vegan pasta spaghetti dish with pesto, pine nuts, sun-dried tomatoes, and basil. And we have gathered everything right here, right next to the stove where we're going to cook, right next to our utensils where we'll need anything. And we've gone down so far as to prepare even the dish that we're going to end up putting this in for service. And we got it all right here, so we don't have to fumble around. Kitchens are a chaotic sort of place as it is. There's usually a lot of people working around. So when you need to cook a dish and stay very tidy about it, you need to have a zone in the kitchen where you can do that, and everything is at your fingertips. So in with the peppers, or the dried peppers, crushed red pepper, I'm sorry, and the shallots. We're going to saute that for a moment. And this dish really, since we went ahead and were well thought out about what we needed, this dish is going to come together really in a matter of moments. I think I spent about, 15 minutes gathering these things to the point where they need to be, and it's going to take another maybe 5-6 minutes to finish the dish. Shallots sauteed for about a minute. When they look translucent, we'll add our garlic. Just a little salt, bring out the moisture. Sun-dried tomatoes in. You're going to use some of the olive oil they came in as well. These have been steeped for 5 minutes. Lower our flame. Pine nuts can go in. And our pesto sauce, vegan pesto. And a little bit of our pasta water reserved. Now that we've got some liquids in there, we can crank the heat a little to about medium. Let it get pretty hot, and then we'll add our noodles. Stir, combine. Here we'll switch over to our tongs. Salt. Kill the heat. Pepper. Fresh basil. Save a little, put it right on top when we take it to the table. And we've got our serving dish. And that's a family fave over here. You saw how quickly we did it, and that's all because we took the time and did proper mise en place. And also it's easy cleanup as well.